Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out Pleasure Shop. Pleasure Shop with Key, the Key, Key, shiny Key. Oh my goodness. To be honest, I feel like I wish there was more appreciation to Key's solo stuff because they are really creative and he's really improving as an artist each time. So big up to you, bro. Anyways, without further ado, let's check out Key, Pleasure Shop MV in 3, 2, 1, bop. Ooh,
Welcome to the Pleasure Shop.
Welcome to the Pleasure Shop. Deeper. What's that, a hamster? Hold up. Are we in his, we're in his mind, no? Or in his, because I saw eyes. Yeah, like these eyes right here. Ears? Huh. What are we doing? Oh, I love his outfit. The boots. Oh, thanks, Key. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Woo! Hey! Yeah, oh. Face card. Ooh. You're welcome. Woo! Shout out to the dancers. Hey, it's a vibe. Oh, interesting. That little transition from clothes change. Does he start off with a? Oh, we don't know. And then he goes over there, change. Woo! Let's go, King. Wait, say it again. One, two. Whoa! Oh, it is him. Bro, he looks so good. But when did you see? He always looks good. Woo! Hey! Let's go! Woo! Hey! What you like, girl? Hey! I don't even know. Sorry, I'm vibing with this heavy. You're welcome. Woo! Hey! He's moving his body. Oh, the dancers. What was that? It's like different like art pieces or what is NC? What is it called? Like those not Bitcoin, but like not crypto, but something. What is it called when it's art, but it's like they're trying to sell it? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. NFTs. They look like NFTs. Not saying they are, but they look like it. Whoa, that's stare down. What's the move? Ooh, damn, singing. Not the preview image. I love that. That was a fire edit right there. Ooh. Hey, woo, the dancers in the back too. Oh my God, Key. Looking good. You looking good. Woo! Wow. Okay, you hear the background vocal? Hold up. Hey! You're welcome. Ooh. Oh, we body rolling to the floor? Oh. A little, hey. That's fire. Wow, what a crazy MV too. Big up to Key. Oh my God. What does that say? Oh, Pleasure Shop. bro. Not me struggling. Key. Wow. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Key's Pleasure Shop. I swear each time you up your quality, Key. Real talk. I know I don't like always like, okay, so I do reactions not just only on YouTube, I do it on Twitch too. So there's some on Twitch, some here, but sometimes on Twitch they get deleted. Each time I check out Key, each time I like just like a comeback, a single, it could be anything. Holy crap, Key. Get your ish. Damn. Make me want to collect all your albums now. Cause I know the physical album would be kind of crazy too. I think one was like a toy package kind of thing. Yeah. I wonder what this is. Isn't this one like a glass wine cup or something like that? I forgot. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Key Pleasure Shop. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.